I'm again this video out of plug a car tire. Now this tire leaking. I want to test it to get some soapy water and then spray on the thing. I'll leave a plug. And then you should see bubble coming up, you know, so that there's a leak is there. And I get something to that's it. See? One screw. Next thing now you look it up. Find by the hole, push it straight inside of the hole. Lift it up. Cover it. Now plug it out and push this one straight inside. So maybe put it in 2/3 of the length of this. But don't twist this, pull it out straight. Then remove the excess length. Cut it down to the height of the threading of the tire. Service like this. That's it. Test it again with the soap water. See if it's leaking. There's no bubbles. Perfect. No bubble, perfect, you know.